Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing some inspiration using the newest release from Heffy Doodle and a fun way to layer a one-layer stencil. So let's get started. First, I taped the simple Sunburst stencil over a panel of pale yellow cardstock. Then I used blending brushes to apply mustard seed and squeezed lemonade Distress Oxide ink over the stencil. I keep the darker color in the center and blend out to the lighter shade. Once I'm happy with the blend, I remove the stencil, clean it, and then let the panel dry completely. Once the ink is dry, I place the stencil over the panel again and rotate it slightly to reveal part of the ink-blended design, and then tape it in place. This time I apply a thin layer of glitter paste over the stencil. I use a palette knife to apply a large amount of paste to one corner and then spread it with my stencil pal. I find that to be the easiest way to cover a large stenciled area without lots of streaks in the finished paste. Once I'm done, I carefully remove the stencil, wash it immediately, and then set the panel aside to dry. It takes about 45 minutes for the paste to dry completely. Once the panel is dry, I trim it down to an A2 panel and adhere it to a top folding card base. While the panel is drying, I color the images for my card. I stamp the cute koalas from Koality Hugs with VersaFine and heat emboss them with clear embossing powder. Then I color them with warm gray shades of Copic Markers and a little R00 and R02 for their ears. I use G20s for the leaves and E20s for the branch. Once I finish coloring, I die cut the images with the coordinating dies. I die cut the great hang in there sentiment from black glitter cardstock for the words and vellum for the outline. I use liquid glue to adhere the glitter cardstock to the vellum. Then I trim off the hanging koala's back arm and tuck him around my word die. Off camera, I stamp a small sentiment from Koality Hugs onto vellum and heat emboss it with black embossing powder before trimming it down to a thin label. I adhere that with vellum adhesive and then use foam strips to adhere the word die and the koalas. Finally, I add a little Spectrum Noir clear sparkle to their ears and add a few accents with a white gel pen to finish the card. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below or over on my blog. You can also find another card using this release, as well as a fun hop and a giveaway over on my blog. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!